Hi, this is Ronnie, and this is my mini Kit Monday, what I have left, and my layouts. I have, of course, Newell drops and uh, wood veneer left. I did use some of everything. I only got one fussy cut item here, which is surprising because usually I cut have too many, but I only had one that didn't go on a page. And that's because I dropped it and couldn't find it, and then I found it after the layout was done. I used several of those, and I didn't use any of them. I don't think I used any of them. If I did, it was only two. I used one of this, and I did use some of those. I made a word for fun. I don't remember. My layouts are down there. But that's what it looked like because out of there. I can't remember if that was new or not. I didn't use hardly any puffy stickers. I used two pink cars here and some candy. I don't think I used any of those. And I did pull up quite a few stickers because I like to make titles. And I did use some. These are my scraps. A couple of cut aparts. The ones that wouldn't fit. We got that one. And the sheets of paper. Well, here's my sticker sheet. I did use several. And yeah, there's enough to do a few more layouts here. But yeah, and I really liked my layouts. But yeah, it's Mini Kit Monday, and I had fun for the whole month. And yeah, I worked on, well, I think it was boy pages, but I did do one girl page in here. This is my grandson at the park, and this is like a, oh, they go round and round and round when they go down this. It's not exactly like a spiral staircase, but that's what gets in your mind, and they just scoot their feet along there. So I had this to go like this, so it looked like that. That was my thought. And of course the yellow for the yellow, and then I just played around with it. But yeah, awesome day at play, and dinosaur, and a monster, a space, astronaut, an astronaut, and a couple of the paper airplanes. I think I need to glue that a little more. And this one's my grandson, and it was a kids museum thing, and the seat and pedals and of course everything moved, and this is a just a jet plane. It's not a rocket, but I went with the rocket thing, and I put him down here in this corner so it's kind of like going up into outer space. I mean, that was my idea of why I put him down in the corner. Anyway, it says, let's discover new worlds, let's have some fun. And then I did game over because he had to get back in line. When your game's over, somebody else gets a turn. And this is the one I did with the, well, I did two with Reagan. See, and I thought I'd just be doing boy pages. I had these cars, whoops, I had these cars, and they were on a sticker sheet, and it was a one like they pulled off the roll years ago, and Liz had gave it to me, and I thought they're so cute, so I wasn't about to get rid of them, and I kept thinking I'd use them and didn't. And this paper reminded me of when I seen the lines. I thought, well, I could put the cars on it, but on some of the cartoons when they got traffic in a big city going back and forth, those cars just kind of go back and forth on lines. They don't really have roads. So I thought I'd go along with that. Anyway, girls just want to have fun, and I still haven't took that exclamation point off there. I'm going to set that over here instead of with the rest so I can get the exclamation point off, because I added to my title. And here's Reagan again. She's playing with Legos, and it had Lego paper, so of course I couldn't resist using it, but whatever you imagine you can create. But I had loads of fun with Mini Kit Monday this month. So yeah, I want to thank the gals for letting me be a guest designer this month, and go check out their Facebook page. It's called Mini Kit Monday Challenge Group. and you can do it too. You don't even have to do videos. You just post your picture of your kit in the group, and well, they have a special folder for it where the challenge is at, and then you post every Monday, picture your layout, and your name goes in the drawing for a prize. So go check it out. I know you'll have fun in there. But thank y'all so much for watching. If you leave a comment below, I'll get back with you. And if you like my video and hit a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much. But have a happy, scrappy week and take care. Bye.